I wanna see the light. See the light. I wanna see the light.
So this is the newest belt that just came out, and I got it in a size 30. No, I mean 65. I was gonna say 36, but it's actually 65. I think it fits me perfectly. Here is the price tag. Well, the code. It's in gold. I would say H Gold hardware. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. It looks kind of cute. Okay, I'll just go ahead and try it on.
I wanna see the light. See the light.
That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!